Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is going to be the second part of the unboxing of my lovely advent calendar, the Look Fantastic one. So in the previous video, if you've watched it, the part 1, I've opened box 1 till box 16. So I've done like half of it. Well, a little bit more than a half. I was opening like 2 to 3 boxes per day because I received my box late during December. I think the second week, something like that. So I had to go really fast. And now the second video is going to be for 17 till 25. A little bit of the summary of the first part. Well, all these products here that you see, and maybe some of them here that I've opened. And you can also click on the link here to go and watch the first part. I haven't had much time to talk about the products, what they do, and each one of them. But I'm going to try and do a blog about the products from day 1 to day 25 with more details about the product itself. You will find the link to that blog in the description below. I will try to make it as soon as possible. So let's do this. One more thing, when I did the first part of this unboxing of the Look Fantastic box, personally, I'm not super happy with what I got in this box. So today we're gonna do 17, 18, where are my numbers? 18 and 19. Here. Good at it. This product. Well, I don't know. I'm putting this in the light actually, and I see only half of the tube that's filled. That's a bit disappointing. I don't know if it's the light that's playing on it or it's giving me really how much is in this tube. Yeah, it's how much is in this tube. It's half of it. It sucks. I'm not a fan of this product because I've used Caudalie in the past for my dry skin and I wasn't convinced. The number 18 looks nice. Oh, it's another product from Fab First Aid Beauty. I was just talking about dry skin and here is the repair cream. That's great. I got 2 of this product in this advent calendar and I'm excited to try those Fab First Aid Beauty because I've seen so much good reviews about it and I want to know what it will bring. I was thinking that this advent calendar also would bring more makeup products instead of just skincare, like a good mix of both, but I'm a bit disappointed. And this one is a spa. I don't know this one too. It's an overnight hydration therapy. It is like a massage cream that you can put on your face like a treatment and you don't have to rinse it before you go to sleep. And again, this tube has half of it. Like, this is so bad. I don't know if you see it, but I see like half of the tube is empty and I have half here. So guys, thank you for watching, but continue watching this video because you're gonna see today's opening of 20, 21 and 22. What do we have here? This is a stress check roll-on by This Works. This is a roll-on that will supposedly de-stress you. You have to put it on pulse point. Does it have a particular smell? Pharmaceutical smell, of course. We have to see if this works. Next one, 21. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you this. This is the stress roll-on I was talking about. This is the mane and tail, the shampoo and the conditioner. Don't worry, it's for people, not for horses. And yes, I've heard very good reviews about this, and I'm excited to try this. I think that the products that we got in this advent calendar, the sample size of them, they're very practical to take with you when you're going on holidays, vacations, airplanes, because the quantity is less than 100 ml. Both of them are 60 and 60. I don't know the maximum that you can take in the plane, but I know that one shouldn't be more than 100 ml, so that's fine. And Look Fantastic brush. It's a double-sided brush. You have a fun brush, which can be used for highlighting, or if you very much like baking, it's very good to remove powder and, you know, baking. And then on the other side, this is really soft. It's not a flat brush, but it's very compact, and I think it's gonna be smooth for blending contour. This thing looks fragile, but I really like the brush. They're very smooth. Let's hope they don't fall off quickly. So here is for day, I don't remember because I've gone so fast with this. What I know is I only have 3 left to open now. 23, 24 and 25. So from the 23, we got Bath and Shower Oil by Aromatherapy Associates, which is like an essential oil to distress yourself. I'm just gonna smell it and tell you how it smells. Wow. They don't give you the ingredients, so I could have told you what was in it, but it has a special smell. So this is one thing. Oh, say hi. And in the 24, this is a multitask eye serum mask, which is from Erno Lazio. And this could be a good one. Apparently it reduces the appearance of dark spots and discoloration. And the ingredients that are in it is algae extract, vitamin B3. So normally this should be good for the eyes. Interesting. And the last one for the day is Ilamasca. Wow, I just love Ilamasca. And this is the highlighter by Ilamasca. Let's just watch this. The box is really nice. I mean, come on, this is really nice. It has an original shape, I would say. And this highlighter is in Dainty. So let's look at it. This is really nice. Wow, oh my god. And I think with the light it changes. This is so beautiful. I'm just gonna do a little swatch here. Yeah, my hand isn't really nice because my cat scratched me, but you can see the swatch here. This is really nice. What do I think about this Look Fantastic box is my personal review. There are so many new products, so many new brands that I have never tested in my life. And by buying this advent calendar, it is giving me a good opportunity to discover them and if it works for me. So overall, this box could have been so much better, but then for the price that you pay, I think this is a very good value for whatever you got inside. And also with this advent calendar, I also got their exclusive Back for Black Look Fantastic box, and I haven't opened it yet. This box was given with the advent calendar because of Black Friday. That's why it is the Back for Black. Yeah. And I'm gonna do another video for this product for this year. Yeah, because my advent calendar video is posting a bit later than it should have been. It's no longer a Christmas box. So this year I think I'll go for another advent calendar box. I was looking forward for the glossy box one, but I tried the advent for Look Fantastic. Thank you for following this journey with me from the start of the opening of this advent calendar until now. And if you like me and my videos, subscribe and like it. And I see you next time. Bye!